Hello, welcome. So today we are going to produce Miracle Wonder Herbal Hair Cream. Yes, I know you might be wondering why it's called Miracle Wonder Herbal Hair Cream. Until you consistently use this particular cream, that's when you will understand the reason why I call it Miracle Wonder Herbal Hair Cream. Or you are selling, and by the time your customers begin to pour in great reviews on this particular hair cream, you will understand the reason why it's called Miracle Wonder Herbal Hair Cream. Yes, my name is Uzoma. I am called Home Magic Woman, and that's because I help household with their cleaning needs. I train people on different types of production. Yes, I also have a WhatsApp group where you can join us. Yes, with you there, you are going to see videos with ebooks that is actually going to guide you on your own production. So today we are going to be producing 250 grams of Miracle Wonder Herbal Hair Cream. And you know, as usual, before we go in proper into the production, let me introduce you to the ingredients that we are going to use to perform this Miracle Wonder Herbal Hair Cream. So join me. Here is our PK oil. In this our 250 gram of hair cream, we will be using 25 ml. So this is our paraffin wax. We are going to be using 40 gram. So this is our shebe powder. Shebe powder, we are going to be using 25 gram here. Then this is our shea butter, grade 1 shea butter. We are going to be using 75 gram. Then this is our petroleum jelly. We are going to be using 75 gram. So this is our tea tree oil. So we are going to be using 5 ml. So this is our kaka oil. So our kaka oil, we are going to be using 25 ml. So this is our peppermint oil. We are going to be using 5 ml. And this is our anti-dandruff oil. Yes, I have already posted the video of how I made this my anti-dandruff oil. So you can check out the video, watch it to see how I made this my anti-dandruff oil and get yours. So this anti-dandruff oil, we are definitely going to be using 25 ml. So all these ingredients are what we are going to use to perform this Miracle Wonder Herbal Hair Cream. So let us now dive into the production proper. We are going to melt all this our butter and our petroleum jelly and our paraffin wax using double boiler method. So let's go. So I forgot to introduce menthol. Yes, this is our menthol. I'm dissolving it. I'm using oil to dissolve it. And the oil I'm using is our anti-dandruff oil. So I'm using this oil to dissolve our menthol. Yes, I forgot to mention it when I was mentioning other chemicals. It's very, very important. Please. So this is what I mean by using double boiler method. Yes, this is what, so when you hear about using a double boiler method, this is the method. So right now, we are trying to melt our shea butter, petroleum jelly, and our paraffin wax. So right now that our butter, jelly, and wax has completely dissolved, as you can see, then you gently add in your PK oil. Gently add in your PK oil and your kaka oil. Then after you add it, you allow it to stay for 2 minutes, then you remove it from heat source and allow it to cool down a bit before you continue with other, before you start adding other additives. Continuously turn the oil, yes, the melted butters and the jellies and the wax, continuously turn it until you begin to notice that it is now hardening up before you add other ingredients. So once in a while, continuously turn it. So right now, you will notice that it is already thickening. It is now time to add other additives. Yes, so right now I'm going to add 5 ml of my tea tree oil. Then the same with my peppermint oil. Then I'm going to add my my chebe powder. So I used my anti-dandruff oil to dissolve my menthol, and as you can see, it's not yet completely dissolved, so I will have to wait a bit, but I will be turning this you will turn it continuously. So continuously turn it very well so that it will blend. So right now I'm going to add our menthol, which we dissolved with our anti-dandruff oil. So I'm going to add it now. It has completely dissolved. So right now you will continuously turn it very well, then you pour it into your container. Yes, at this stage we have come to the end of the production of our Miracle Wonder Herbal Hair Cream. I would really love you to practice this particular hair cream and give me your feedback. Yes, I would really love you to give me your feedback on this hair cream so that you will understand the reason why it's called Miracle Herbal Hair Cream. So thank you and God bless you. Bye.